This video demonstrates how to add audio files or change existing audio files in the Timely Automatic School Bell. You need a Windows PC or laptop, a USB cable, and the required audio files on your PC. The audio files should be in MP3 format. Remember, the internal memory of Timely is 16 megabytes, so do not choose very large files for uploading. In this video demonstration, I am going to change a prayer file that is already saved in the memory and also add a pledge as a user uploadable audio file named C1. As you can see, these are the files that are going to be uploaded. Now, open the official website page of Timely. I will add the URL in the description of this video. You can also visit the website by scanning the QR code on the device or in the user manual. At the bottom of the web page, you can see the audio updation section. Under this section, there is an option to download the software. Click here to download the software. As you can see, it is now downloading. Open the downloads folder. Here is the file that we downloaded. Right-click on it and extract the files. Open the extracted folder. Here is the README file. Please read it before starting the audio update process. This folder contains all the audio files that are pre-installed before Timely reaches your hands. Change the view to content so that you can understand the contents of each audio file without opening it. The file named 00001 is the audio file for the first period, and similarly, you can identify each file. Now, I need to change Prayer 3 to my own prayer file, which I previously saved in my downloads folder. So first, I'm going to delete the file named 00018. Don't forget the file name. Then, I'm going to copy the prayer file and paste it into the Timely audio folder. After that, rename the file to 00018, which was the file name for Prayer 3. Timely comes with 18 built-in audio files. In addition to that, the user can add two more audio files named 00019 and 00020. These audio files are assigned as C1 and C2 in the bell types respectively. I'm going to add a pledge file as C1. Rename the file to 00019. So, all the files are now ready in the folder for uploading. Please note that the file names should be entered carefully. Here is the Timely audio editor software. Before opening it, connect Timely to the PC using a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, when connected, a hard drive named Timely appears here. Double-click the software to run it. Click More Info and then click Run Anyway. Now the software has opened. Select the source folder as the extracted folder that contains all the audio files. Then, select the Timely drive. Click the Start Copying button and click Yes. As you can see, the formatting process has started. It will take around 2 minutes to complete the process. You can see the progress bar here. Wait until the message "All the files have been copied successfully" appears. Click OK. Now, we need to eject the Timely drive from the PC. Click the Eject button. If any error occurs, you can go to My Computer and eject the Timely drive just like any other external drive. Now, you can disconnect Timely from the PC. Your device is now ready to use with your new audio files. If you have any doubts, you can contact our customer care. Thanks for watching.